Our society is in constant motion, and we make our contribution. Hanomag Heat Treatment Group combines tradition with innovation for more than 30 years. As a leading and growing technology service provider in the field of heat treatment and mechanical processing, we continuously push boundaries by optimizing our know-how on a daily basis. We develop efficient, creative and successful solutions for our customers. Our aim is to be the market reference in surface technology and component processing for demanding technological requirements. Our willingness to constantly adapt to market and customer changes embodies our maximum flexibility. Our priority is providing continuously high quality throughout the entire production process, either within the field of heat treatment, of measuring technology, or of mechanical treatment, from sample to series. We confidently pursue the zero defect goal successfully. Our core values are reflected in our actions: high quality, technological competence, sustainability, solution-oriented, integrity, team spirit. Hanomag Heat Treatment Group, as a serious supplier and supplier for sustainable technologies, is certified in accordance with the latest quality, environmental, energy and information security standards. As a company, we bear responsibility for the people we work with, for the environment we operate in, and for our social surroundings that we shape. These are promises that we live up to. Hanomag Heat Treatment Group. Flexible, competent, sustainable.